Hey there, marketers, ready to shake up your advertising game and make some serious waves? Let's talk about guerrilla marketing, the creative and unconventional approach that's all about achieving maximum results with minimal resources. Picture this. You're walking down the street, minding your business, and suddenly, bam! There's an unexpected super cool ad that grabs your attention. That's guerrilla marketing in action. It's all about surprising and engaging consumers in memorable ways, cutting through the clutter of traditional ads. Guerrilla marketing isn't just a buzzword, it's a strategy that's been around since 1984 thanks to J. Conrad Levinson. Remember the iconic Marlboro Man or Volkswagen's Think Small campaigns? Those early examples set the stage for what guerrilla marketing is today. Creative, cost-effective, and highly engaging. But guerrilla marketing has evolved. Today, it's all about blending offline tactics with digital platforms. Think about the Blair Witch Project's internet-fueled mystery or Burger King's augmented reality campaign. Brands are getting more innovative, using tech to captivate audiences in ways we've never seen before. So, how can you make guerrilla marketing work for your business? First, understand your target audience deeply. Know their preferences, behaviors, and pain points. Then choose strategic locations to maximize visibility. High traffic areas are your best friends here. And don't forget timing. Align your campaigns with current events, seasons, or cultural moments to amplify their impact. Take inspiration from some of the best in the game. Nike's Write the Future campaign used cinematic storytelling to captivate soccer fans. Coca-Cola's Happiness Machine created heartwarming, shareable moments by dispensing surprise gifts. And IKEA turned public spaces into cozy living areas, letting people experience their products firsthand. Looking ahead, guerrilla marketing is set to integrate even more with digital platforms. Think augmented and virtual reality for immersive brand experiences. And with consumers becoming more conscious, there's a growing focus on sustainability and ethical practices. So there you have it. Guerrilla marketing. It's creative, cost-effective, and most importantly, it's impactful. Ready to make your mark and transform your business? Let's get out there and start surprising people. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more marketing tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.